Hello. Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, red color, purple color, black color, brown color, violet color, dark blue color, green color, yellow color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for candy. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for uniform. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Dark blue color, light blue color, red color, violet color, light green color, pink color, orange color, purple color. Let's learn some numbers and shapes. Dark blue color, 0. Light green color, 1. Number 1. Red color. Number 2. Purple color. Number 3. Violet color. Number 4. Orange color. Number 5. Zero shapes. Number 1 circle. Dark blue color. 1 circle. Number 2 heart. Red color. Two heart. Number 3. 1 2 3. 3 triangle. Light green color. Triangle. Number 4 square. Light blue color. Square. Number 5 pentagon. Yellow color. Pentagon. Number 0 shapes. Number 1 circle. Number 2 2 heart. Number 3 number 1 number 2 number 3 triangle. Number 4 1 2 3 4 square. Number 5 1 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pentagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.